This is number 16. This post concludes the series. In this final post, I want to talk about the inescapable importance of emotional intelligence when it comes to critical thinking. It is with maturity we're able to appreciate the value of humility, to set aside pride and ego so that we can be open to new ideas. Our ego prevents us from letting go of ideas and making room for new ones. This New Frame series is about the possibility of experimenting with the idea of replacing death with Sumain. It's about the possibility of realizing that humans are capable of so much more than we were led to believe. If we want to promote a healthier culture of believing that everyone has power to be free as they are, then we need to begin with ourselves. We start here and our children. This is where critical pedagogy comes in. CP, critical pedagogy, is a teaching approach designed to expose power structure and awaken strength and grit within students. That's critical pedagogy. Number 16. Critical pedagogy is imperative. In order for us to completely rewrite, create anew our reality, we all must create and embrace a culture of critical thought. Implement critical pedagogy in schools and every facet of life. Critical pedagogy means to become comfortable asking hard questions and to actively engage in emotional intelligence development intentionally. Consider this. When we truly listen, we create space for hard questions. Interruptions prevent new ideas from emerging and derail critical and creative thinking. So don't interrupt. Practice listening. See how quickly we create a whole new culture in any given environment, at home, at work, anywhere.